In this video, I'll quickly show you how you can use pipe cleaners to build an armature for your felting projects, and then how to felt over top. So you can cut pipe cleaners using scissors, and you'll connect them together by twisting the pipe cleaners. Think of your armature as like the skeleton. You want to keep it simple, so for the body of my dog, I just made a line, a pipe cleaner line. Legs are just one line of pipe cleaner. The pipe cleaner is really going to help just hold the appendages onto the body of the figure that you're creating. There is no need to make big cages for your armature. Okay, now that you saw what I did for my dog, I want to show you how to then felt on top. Keep in mind, underneath the felted dog you see here is the same armature that you saw me just make with the red pipe cleaners. So taking some of my core wool or just neutral colored wool batting, I'm going to connect first by holding the wool where I want it on the body of the animal, and then I'm going to begin to wrap it around the part that right now does not have any wool. So again, I'm holding it against the body and I'm wrapping it around the pipe cleaner. Once I think that I have it held how I want it, I can begin to felt using my felting needle. And I think I would want to start by felting that connection point where I first began, connecting the wool to the body of the dog, and then I'm going to start working down the leg. Try not to press the needle on top of the wire itself. This could bend or break your needle. That's why when building an armature using pipe cleaners, you don't want to make big cages that would be inside of the felted creation, because that makes just more areas that you'd have to watch out for. Okay, you can see here I need to now add some more of the wool. So again, I just wrap it around however much I want, and then I'm going to use my needle to felt it, to tangle those wool fibers together. And I'll continue to do that until I feel that it is sturdy and that it is getting more solid. You don't want your felted project to be really fluffy like a cotton ball. You want to continue to poke that needle into it to tangle the fibers up enough that it is starting to get sturdy, like a little stuffed animal. Okay, you can see I have one leg done now, one front leg, and now I'm going to work on the second leg, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's completed. By the way, as I felt, a tip for you is kind of keep things looser and less condensed at first, and then as you're working towards the end of your project, you'll poke it more with the needle to get the craftsmanship better, to get it a little bit more solid and more condensed. All right, I hope that this demonstration helps you if you choose to use a pipe cleaner armature in your felting projects.